Dile que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía, tú misma lo decías.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and you guys can see I have a different setup today. I am going to use a different setup today because the other one, it wasn't working too good for me. I needed a new setup, something that was going to look better, feel better, and something where I'm not so all over the place. So today I'm going to create a look, and you guys know I'm never really sure what I'm going to do, but I kind of know what colors I want to do. Not exactly, but we're just gonna dive in and do this. I'm going to do my brows off camera and show you guys mainly the eyeshadow and stuff, how to get the eyes together, because that's the main part of the look. And then I'm not sure, I may very much skip over my base face, or I might just skip it all together and just come back when it's time to do lips and be done with the look, for highlighting or whatever else. I might come back when it's time to highlight after that part. But anyways, we're gonna get started. So what you saw me do here was I finished my brows off camera. Now I'm taking the lightest color from my Ruby Kisses cream contour palette, and I'm going to lay this down on my eyes to create a base for my eyeshadows. Now I'm going to take my buffing brush. I love using this to buff out anything, including the nose contour, but I love blending this out. I'm going to blend out my eye base so that it can be a nice smooth base for when we get ready to pack on those colors. So now what you see me doing is I'm going to take a pink eyeshadow from one of my old palettes with no name on it. And it's really pigmented, so I'm going to use that. And I'm just going to pack it on my lid first before trying to blend it out. And that pause was me trying to figure out what kind of look I was going to go for. Now I'm going to take the blue color that I love from this very old palette, and I'm going to pack that shade right after the pink and try to blend them in. It ended up coming out like a galaxy type of color. It was so pretty. You guys are going to see what I'm talking about. But yeah, I'm just taking that color and I'm packing it on first before I decide to try to blend them in. So I took this blending brush and I tried to use this one to blend, but I decided I wanted some more color. So I decided to pack some more color on and blend it up towards the brow. And I did this with all the colors, made sure that they came up to where the brow was, just barely. And then I blended them in with the brushes that still had some color on it. That way it would be a seamless blend when I decided to blend it. So I ended up kind of liking this, but I ended up bringing the blue a little more forward than it was supposed to, and it ended up looking kind of extraterrestrial to me. I started to get scared a little bit after this because I wasn't sure where this was going, but I added some light blue to the top to help that blue blend out a little more and not be so harsh. And you can see now where the galaxy type of colors are going to come in. I went back into my Sweet Paradise palette, and I took that very vibrant purple color and I put that at the end and then blended that into the blue, and it just, oh my gosh, it looked so beautiful, like outer space. It just looked amazing, and that gave me the idea for this look. Though it looked very beautiful to me, this is where I also got scared because I was using dark colors, and I don't use a lot of dark colors when it comes to doing my makeup, but I decided to try it, and I wasn't sure where I was going to go with this. And yes, it looks crazy right now, you guys. It always looks crazy before you get to the end, and then it looks really good. But it came out absolutely amazing, though it was hard to do. And I blended these colors out, you guys. So you guys, I was going to do a normal cut crease and then add some glitter and do stuff like that. But I was like, you know, this whole galaxy thing has me thinking a little further than that. I decided to try to do the whole cloud thing. Little did I know it was going to be a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. This is my first time ever attempting to do this type of cut crease, so you guys bear with me, don't bash me or anything. This is my first time trying to do stuff like this, and I'm quite proud of myself for it. I didn't give up on the look like I had normally would in the past. I would just give up because it looks terrible, but I decided to keep going and just stick it out until the end and try my best to make it look good, you guys, because I was about to run and just wash this whole thing off. But I decided to keep going for you guys and make it work. I did get a little frustrated. And I decided to just go ahead and try to do one eye off camera. But instead of doing it all off camera, I decided to at least come back and show you guys some of what I did. So all I did basically after I cut the crease with the cloud, I put a white eyeshadow over top of it, and it came out to be this baby blue type color instead. And then I decided to try to take my white eyeliner and go right around the top of it and line the top of it. Guys, I have to get better with this part, but I tried my very best not to make it thick and go across the top to further define the cloud. After that, I tried to blend it down and then add some more white shadow so that it would further blend and make it a lot whiter and a lot sharper so that the cloud could really stand out. So I went in with my old palette and I used a baby blue color to blend in the inner corners. I also took a ocean type color. It was really beautiful, like a royal blue color from that same palette, and it has no name on it, by the way, you guys. And I blended in the middle. I took a color from my Sweet Paradise palette, and it was a dark blue color, and I put that in the outer corner and I blended it outwards. Just half of the cloud was done. The bottom half of the cloud was done, so you could still see the cloud poking out from the top. And I thought that was just, you know, really something creative and cute to do. This is where I got scared also, you guys, because I wasn't sure how I was going to do the rest, but I did it for you guys. Now I'm taking my white eyeliner and I'm just adding the stars and the sparkles. This is a little challenging for me to do, I will admit, but I did the best that I could, so I'm happy. So now I am going to take my NYX eyeliner, and I am going to do a nice dramatic wing. As I'm doing this wing, I was just thinking to myself, wow, I really stepped out of my comfort zone to do this look for you guys, because y'all know I would never try to do something this crazy. I mean, I do something like colorful, but I don't think I'd go on my way to do something this crazy with the cut crease. But I felt creative today, and I felt like giving you guys something different. Considering it is May, my birthday month, so I wanted to show out a little bit. So I went ahead and did my base makeup off camera. I just feel like that was going to take a very exceeding amount of time. And you guys already know what I do for that. I do the same thing as I do in my previous video. So if you haven't seen it, then go check it out. I applied my favorite lashes, the same lashes that I used in the last video, which can be found on AliExpress. These lashes can be found on AliExpress for like $3, you guys. And I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, the shade Amber Gold, to highlight. It is my favorite color. I don't know what I'm going to do when this shade runs out. Just buy another palette, I guess. I am highlighting my Cupid's bow, my cheeks, my nose, just about every daggone thing. And now I am going to take my liquid lipstick, and this doesn't have a shade on it for some reason. I got it from the beauty supply store, and it is just a dark brown liquid lipstick that I always use to do my nude lip combos. I hadn't found it for a minute, but now it's back, and I love it so much. And I'm overlining my lips just a little bit because my lips are already full. And then I'm going to apply the same nude color from the last video. I'm going to use, and it's in the shade, number is 2. I got it from Sephora. It came with the collection. It is my favorite nude now. Other than that, I love the nude Honey Love by MAC. These two nudes are honestly the best. They make my lips look so plump, you guys. And then after that, I'm just going to add a nice clear gloss on the top. Oh right, before I added any gloss or anything, I did go back in under the eye to add color to make my eyes pop a little more. I used the royal blue that I was telling you guys about, that I liked that so much, and I put that in like the middle of under my eye, and then I went in with the darker color from my Sweet Paradise palette, and I use that to do the outer corner of the bottom of my eye, and that made my eye pop so much, you guys. It was crazy. I also decided last moment to put the lighter color in the inner corner at the bottom of my eye. Same colors I used basically for the bottom half of the cloud. I used those and put them under my eye. So now I'm taking my NYX eyeliner, and I'm going to take that to basically draw my waterline. So now what I'm doing is I'm using my Rocket mascara to do my bottom lashes. And I know this isn't one you're supposed to use for your bottom lashes, but I've always been using it and I love it. So I'm using that to do my bottom lashes. It just makes them so much more full and actually visible because I have no bottom lashes. But it gives me some, I feel like. And that's why I'm using them. So I set my face a little bit more and I added some clear gloss because I love adding that over top of my nude lip, and that completes the look, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. Subscribe today to join my growing family, and please like this video, comment below letting me know what you think or what you guys would like to see from me next, if you know, don't mind taking your time to do that. And yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. It was super challenging, but I'm glad I tried it for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you want to see next. And I got you in the next video. All right, guys. Peace be with you.